Such a good day. Join the Mushables and their adventures. So let's head out to the forest. It's a good day to join the Mushables. Mush, mush.
The sound of Mushables enjoying my food is my favorite sound. Oh, we.
I love the noise snails make when they eat.
Oh, cool. And guess what my favorite sound is? It's, oh yeah, totally. It's the sound of pebbles skipping on water.
I like the sound of waterfalls.
I love little beetle sneezes. What comes after, not so much.
Whoop. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I changed my mind. Compost sizzling is my favorite sound. Yes.
Or the way compost sounds when you eat it. Too hot, too hot.
My favorite sound is the one my necklace makes.
Oh, nice.
Mine is the Nightingale, the most beautiful sound in the forest.
Okay, never heard one.
Oh,
Yes.
Wait, you've all heard one?
Yeah.
Whoa, now I need to hear a nightingale.
Me too.
They're so legendary. It is said that once there was a Mushable who was so sad that even the sky cried tears.
Meaning it rained?
Lilit!
Sorry.
But then a nightingale came and sang so beautifully, the Mushable was sad no more and floated away on a cloud of happiness.
Now I really want to hear one.
Good luck with that. Nightingales are fierce and hard to find. To attract one, you'd need a bird collar.
Okay. Oh, could you make a bird collar, Chanterelle?
Oh, me? It's a,
Do it, do it, do it, do it. And that's Mush Mush for We're With You, Shanty.
Exactly.
well, that won't happen again. And here we go.
Ooh.
Okie dokie, how about it?
Oh, maybe if I...
Oh, sweet forest. Oh. My last chance.
Is that?
A cold drink? Yes. Working all day made me so thirsty. Okay, last try. I did it right. Did I? Was that? Oh! I did! Oh!
Uh-oh, that's not a nightingale. That's an angry-sounding ghost. Everyone, duck!
Wow, that was one angry goose.
Okay, this might need a little bit of tweaking.
You think? Maybe try it out in the forest instead?
A robin.
Nice. A crow. snail.
Yeah, all pretty cool and stuff. But we want to hear the nightingale.
Okay, now I'll do a nightingale.
Yeah. Oh, but what about...
I'm gonna need to clean the collar first and let it dry out.
And how long will that take? Come on, come on, come on. It'll totally be dry by now. So...
I left it right there on this. Oh, it must have been into there, and now it's floated away.
Yep, makes sense.
No! Oh, okay. Let's just make another one.
Make another one? Oh, well, I'd have to find the same wood, and I don't have a mallet, and I have to sit down for a minute.
Can't we just find something else?
Anything we could blow.
I know.
Ow. Oh. Nice.
Yes!
Perfect.
Cool. I'm awesome. Anything sound even slightly like a nightingale?
Very, very close, almost. No, not really. Sorry.
I know. The bird collar probably drifted away. Just wanted to double check.
The sound of a legend will remain just a legend.
Everyone has heard the most beautiful sound in the forest except us. Wait, is that?
Sweet forest, yes, it's...
Chanterelle's bird collar!
Yes! Hey, no, wait, come back!
Oh, give us that collar, please!
Yes.
Ow!
It's too high! After the beetle!
You go get it, Mushlers, and by all that is green, you call that nightingale!
Hello, Shanty.
Morel! Oh, and how long have you been standing there?
Are you, okay?
Well, I believe in those Mushlers.
Okay. That's, wonderful.
Get it! Over there!
Yes! No! Oh, come on!
Is it ever going to stop?
It's okay. Come on, give us the collar.
We know you found it, but it's not yours. So
Don't worry, little one. We just want...
you frightened me. Us, I meant us.
Way to go on the bird collar, though.
Totally. Just imagine if he did the nightingale.
Yeah, it seemed kind of right.
Yeah, right.
Oh, my compost, what was that?
Sweet forest. A nightingale.
It's beautiful.
Like in the legend.
We did it! We heard a nightingale.
And now it's
coming straight for us!
What? Much nightingale, too much nightingale, too much nightingale! is that?
Oh, sweet forest, yes! It's the angry goose! Yay! That was so close.
Too close.
So, where's the bird caller? After the beetle!
All tidied up. Whoa! Hey, what's that? Oh. I'll just,
Oh, fungus. Why did I have to do that?
Yes, we found the bird caller!